Content creation can actually make you over $1,000 every single month, regardless of where you find yourself. And the best part is that what faceless channels even make it more easier, as you can easily start them without having to invest a dime into it. Yes, you heard me right. With faceless channels, you don't have to invest a dime into it like we do when it comes to these face channels. Because with face channels, we have to buy microphone, a smartphone for a better camera quality, buy ring light, tripod stand, and other equipment to actually make it look great. But with faceless channels, you actually don't have to invest in any of this. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you every single detail you actually need to become a profitable faceless channel runner. Now, whether you want to start an AI-based channel or a personal voiceover channel where you yourself, you do the talking but you don't show your face, there's no problem at all. I'm going to share with you every single detail that you actually need to be able to scale it up and become profitable with it. When it comes to making money with content creation, the first thing is simply picking a profitable niche. Now with faceless channels, there are so many niches that you can actually get into. Yes, it's being faceless doesn't mean you've been limited to the number of niches you can attempt. You can actually do every single niche out there. But for this video, let me just give you a short breakdown of the most specified part that I will actually recommend for you. The first one could be tech reviews. Now, tech review simply means you reviewing things like gadgets and all of this stuff. So if you are someone who already have a vast knowledge about gadget related stuff, then you can actually get yourself into the tech review space where you review this tech gadgets and a lot of other tech related products. Now, the second on my list could be folk tales. Now, folk tales are the new norms when it comes to YouTube, because a lot of people out there just prefer sitting at home watching a lot of movies on their smartphones daily. No one even cares much about Netflix and all of that daily because of a lot of these folktale storytellings. So if you are someone who can also handle this folktale storytelling, why not? You can actually get into it. And the best part is that you don't actually have to pay to learn this, because I already have a full video made on it that I'll be tagging in the video description for you. That video will take you through every single thing you need to know, and then how you can actually go through the practical process of creating a profitable folktale channel. The link will be down in this video description. Now, the folktale is simply you telling stories using AIs to create content, and then telling stories without having to show your face, because all the characters you need will be generated by AIs. Now, the next on my list could be how-tos. Now, how-to niches are simply videos are simply videos whereby you basically tell people how to get things fixed. So this is basically more like do it on your own system, or a different tutorial like this channel that I'm running right now. You can also do it faceless, where AIs actually help you do every single thing. So how to is simply helping people solve problems without having to show your face on camera. AI can also help you do this as well. Now, the last one on my list could be celebrity talks and then breaking news. Now, faceless channels are not limited, as I already said. You can also use them to create celebrity trending informations like celebrity biographies, celebrity trending, what is trending about social celebrities, because this is a highly engaging niche, because everybody out there wants to know what is trending with their favorite athlete or their favorite entertainer and all of that. So this is also another good niche that you can get into faceless. And the best part is that I also have a video made for this sort of niche as well, and I will be tagging it as well. So you can basically check this video description, because I'm going to tag a lot of videos that are related to this whole video and will actually guide you to become successful faster with this industry, provided that you watch other videos that I'm going to recommend for you, and I use them to support yourself along the way. So now this is the first part when it comes to starting a profitable faceless niche that can make you over $1,000 every single month. It's simply picking the right niche, and I've given you some of the best recommendations already. Now let's move on to the next part, which is after picking the niche, we need to talk about the content creation aspect, and that is the next session of this video. After picking your niche, you need to start creating content for your audience, because it's the content that you create that will transform into the revenue you actually need. So the more content you put out there, the more quality content out there, the more money you stand to make in return as well. So when it comes to creating content for faceless channels, there are some few tools that you need that I'll be sharing with you right now. Now, under this content creation session, the first tool you actually need is simply ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a free AI that can actually help you script your YouTube videos for your faceless niche or even a face niche. So, but then let's focus on the part we want, which is the faceless niche. So, ChatGPT can actually help you write a whole video script. So, if you are not good at video scripting, no problem. You are not limited, because ChatGPT can also help you do all of this. Now, take a look at the screen right now. You can see what I simply did for my previous video that I uploaded on this channel. Say, kindly write a full YouTube video script on the top 5 on this topic, top 5 hidden websites that pay you to work from home in 2025. And ChatGPT created a whole full video script for me with the full voiceovers, tag to get my media, so that if I'm looking for free images, free video clips and all of that. It gave me every single information I need that I can use to create video. Now with the rest tools I'm going to share with you, you can actually convert this sort of script into a full video within some few minutes. Now the first tool you need under the content creation section of starting a faceless channel is simply ChatGPT to help you write the script. Now, for those of you who would like to use AIs to generate your voiceovers, who don't want to use your own personal voice, well, you don't also have a problem as well, because I have some 2 AI that I can actually recommend to you to help you create these voiceovers. And for this, the first AI on our list is actually Clipchamp. Now, Clipchamp is a very professional AI that I can actually use to create voiceovers. You can also use it to edit video. But basically, for this session of this video, I recommend it for generating your voiceovers for your faceless channels. So if you want to start a faceless channel and also a channel whereby you don't want to use your own personal voice, then Clipchamp and then Playhit can actually help you do that. However, Playhit is a paid version because it gives you more, I'll say it has more emotions in its AI voiceovers than any other voiceover tool out there. So if you don't have money to invest in it as well, no problem, you can leave Playhit and then basically go with Clipchamp. Clipchamp voiceovers aren't bad either. I've made a video for those of you who will be watching my videos on how you can actually create these AI niches, AI videos. I actually have Clipchamp recommended in there, plus how you can actually use it. Now, for those of you who might not want to use AI to create your videos, probably you want to record your videos and everything yourself using your own voice, but you don't want to show your face, there's no problem. You can use a software like OBS Studio or Prism to actually do your screen recording. So if you are getting into the how-to niche and then you have to record your screen to share your screen with your audience, showing them how to get other things fixed, the best screen recorders I'm going to share with you right now is simply OBS and then Prism. And as you can see right now, this video I'm actually recording with you, the voice over here has been recorded with Prism because I'm also doing screen recording along the side. So Prism is the one doing the screen recording and all of that. At first I was using OBS before I switched over to Prism due to a little bit benefit I get with Prism. That's why I switched over to them. So you can basically go for Prism or OBS. However, Prism is kind of heavy for, if your laptop is not really that good, go for OBS because OBS doesn't require much system usage, but Prism requires more. So if your PC is not good, it might not deliver the best result for you. So go with OBS if you are using a mid-range laptop. Now, back to those who want to go into AI, fully AI. Now, when it comes to the AI channel, you might need AI to actually help you generate your images as well. Now, for the image generation, you can use AIs like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to actually help you generate this. Now for this session, I'm not going to show you Midjourney or Leonardo because I already have a video. Like for those of you who will be watching my videos on how you can set up your faceless AI based niche, you already have all the tools and everything and how you can do it over there and how you can use all of these tools in there already. Now the final tool you need under content creation is simply CapCut. So CapCut is simply what you can actually use for your video editing. So when it comes to video editing, I recommend CapCut because I personally use CapCut. And most of for those who even purchase my mentorship, I actually use CapCut to teach them as well. So you can basically use CapCut, or if you are good at other video editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, you can also use those ones as well. But for a beginner who is getting started, you can actually start with CapCut because it's free and easy to use. Unlike Adobe Premiere Pro, it's not free, so I'm using the premium version, and the people are using DaVinci also is not fully free as well. So the only free tool you need for your video editing is basically CapCut. Now let's get over to the next section where I share with you some places where you can go get copyrighted free materials for your video as well. Now the first on our list is simply where you can go for your copyright free music or your background songs, and that particular one is simply the YouTube audio library. Now the YouTube audio library is a place where you can get copyright free background songs for your video. So maybe you created a faceless video and you want to add a little bit of bomb to it, like adding some background song to make it more interesting. Because as a faceless channel, you need to make it a little bit interesting to actually get users watching. And to be able to do that, you need some background song. And the only place that I can 100% put my trust in that I can get songs that are not copyrighted is simply the YouTube audio library. Here you are not going to get any copyright claim on any of the songs you use, provided that you go for songs that doesn't require attribute or are free to use. All you basically have to do is that click down here and then come over to where it says attribute not required. Now once you select that option, you can use any of those songs without giving attribute and you won't be copyrighted. But then if you don't mind giving attribute, you can simply come over and then use any of them and then just make sure that you are giving attribute to the owner of the song down in your YouTube video. YouTube will tell you how to give the attribute, so you basically have to put it there. If not, you'll be copyrighted. Now after that, the next free resource software is simply Pesos. Now Pesos is where you can go get copyright free images, copyrighted free video clips that you can use within your video, because you might need them in your video to showcase some one or two things. So you can basically go to Pesos or Pixabay to go get them. And for me personally, I get more of them from Pesos. That's why I'm recommending Pesos in this video as well. I'm not sponsored for any of them. Now for those of you who want to start this niche and then you need a mentor to actually guide you through, well, I have a mentorship plan. This is a one-on-one mentorship whereby I personally teach you directly how you can actually do this. I don't have a pre-recorded course. I tailor my mentorship to fit in the particular feed you want to get yourself into. So this is not limited to only faceless channels as well. In case you want to get to a full face channel as like mine as well, and you need someone to mentor you through, I'm actually here to guide you as well. All you basically have to do is simply go over to my website. The link will be down in the comment. The first link in the comment section, just click on it. It will take you to my website where you can basically pick the service you want, fill in the form, and then send me your form. Make sure that your form contains your email, your telephone number as requested on the website, and then I'm going to reach out to you. For those who are ready for the mentorship, please make sure you check my courses page to see the price before you send an email. Now that aside, getting back to the main video, now let's talk about how you can actually make money from your faceless niche. Now when it comes to making money from your faceless niche, all you basically need to do is simply, after creating your content, you start getting decent views, getting subscribers and viewers. Now in case you want to learn how you can get subscribers and views as well, you don't have to worry. I'll be tagging videos in the comments, in the description for you to actually look into. Now that push to the side, now let's talk about how you can actually make money from YouTube faceless niche. Now there are so many ways. Just as our face channels can make money, faceless channels can also do the same as well. And the first is simply the YouTube Partner Program. Now this is a system whereby YouTube display ads on your videos, and they pay you a commission for each of the ads that appears on your videos. Now secondly could be through affiliate marketing, where you promote product related to your niche that your audience might be interested in. Now fourth could be creating digital product, like selling digital product, like you can create online courses if you want. You can create ebooks and all of that, and then sell them to your community, provided that you know they are interested in it. Like in my own case, you can see that I'm promoting a mentorship because I rather go for a one-on-one mentorship than creating courses, because buying digital courses isn't really something I can recommend for someone who wants to be profitable in this digital space, because having a mentor to walk you through and then buying a course are two different things. So you can basically choose any of them and then make more money through this alternative. Now with this already said, hello guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section as well. Now if you have any video in mind that you want me to record for you, also let me know. Now with this already said, see you in my next video. Bye.